Tuna, let me tell you, when I was in college, I used to eat this way more than I should have. I used to love tuna so much, and actually I still really do love tuna, so it's really hard for me not to eat the tuna. But I found out about tuna actually back in college. I used to eat about 2 to 3 cans a week, a ton of it because I absolutely loved it. It was easy to make, yum, yum, yum. And then I actually had a college professor talk about tuna and how it's full of heavy metals. It's full of mercury. And I was telling him how much I was eating of the tuna, and he was telling me, you better stop eating tuna right now because you cannot just flush those heavy metals out of your body. It's not an easy process. Well, fast forward to today, here we are again, sitting here with wanting tuna, but not being able to eat it. Well, first of all, it does feed the pathogens, yep, but it is also very high in mercury. Not only does tuna have mercury in it, but also the packaging has mercury in it. Mercury is responsible for most mental illnesses. In fact, heavy metals are responsible for most mental illnesses. So if you want to work on those mental illnesses, I would suggest drinking that heavy metal smoothie in the morning cleanse and flushing those heavy metals out of your body. Heavy metals cause the mental illnesses because they get stuck in the brain and you want to flush them out of the brain. Do you have brain fog, memory loss, anxiety, depression? Yep, I would be doing the heavy metal detox smoothie if you do. Now keep in mind, you might say, oh, I eat tuna all the time. It doesn't affect me. Well, it might not right now, but most likely down the road it will. And then tuna is also not good for us simply because it has lots of heavy metals in there. You know, the ocean is just not clean like it should be. In fact, we actually should not be eating most fish, but if you do want to eat fish, I would suggest sticking to salmon. It actually says here salmon, trout, and sardines are okay for us to eat. But keep in mind, if you're eating any kind of fish, you are getting heavy metals in your body. Those are just the salmon, trout, and sardines are the ones that you're going to have the lowest amount of heavy metals going into your body. And if you are eating any kind of fish, you have to make sure that you are drinking that heavy metal detox smoothie that we talked about in video 1.